In there, left hand right there. Lean into it. You see this red dot? No. We're going to keep both eyes open. We're going to paint that red dot on this target in front of the sandbags. You see the sandbags? No. There's an orange guy in front of them, white one. Go ahead and get him.
But yo man, it's your boy GB3 on TV coming again with another banger. And today, if you can't tell by the short clip, man, we going out to shoot some guns off the helicopter today. I don't even know what to say, cause like, you see the mountains over there? Yeah, I'm finna be pressing at all the mountains. You know, they gonna have me quiet in the desert. We gotta go in this dirt road or whatever. And I'm gonna call that car Big Bertha. Big Bertha. So we gotta take Big Bertha on out into the desert, you know. And we finna have us a blast. And I ain't finna waste no more of y'all time. Let's go ahead and get straight into the video, you know. Alright, bye.
Ride 88.
We've made it. But I'm telling you, that's what we're gonna be in right here, y'all. And go crazy. You feel me? We finna take some pictures right now though, so I'm gonna catch y'all in a little bit. Alright. Bye.
In here, so I'll get you inside and then we'll straighten it out. And now I got half of your seatbelt there. And very nice, you're getting buckled in. Yeah, gotta loosen that. Does that feel comfortable for you? All right.
There will be smoke on departure on this one.
Roger.
You guys ready?
Tom's crossing.
Hope you're excited. Alright, videos are recording, so right here is live on this camera if you want to wave to anybody. And then before we get going, do you guys have any questions on the safety brief?
No, sir.
Did both seats? You can call me Susan if you'd like, it'd be fine. I'm just going to give them a second to get set up here for these guys' selfie. And then we're going flying.
Weapon and cabin secure.
Roger that.
And then, ma'am, could I get you to just use that lanyard on the... Thank you.
I still can't hear you.
You still can't hear me?
Yeah, it's low.
It's low? Go ahead and lean forward for me. Is this fixing it at all?
Still can't hear you.
You still can't hear me? Roger.
It's fun to watch. I wonder why his is goofing up.
How about now? Is that a little better?
Great.
Perfect.
Alright, cool. What color was that one? No?
I didn't see.
Alright. Coming up.
Roger.
Hey, come back.
Clear. So if you can tighten that up a little more, it's actually up top. Yeah, there you go. That's a little better.
I have a game where I like to blow purple smoke on people.
I think you guys got one of those to do as well, yeah.
It's better on approach, I noticed, on days like today. But hey, if you want a picture with a smoke grenade and a helicopter hovering right behind you, you're gonna get a little dusty. Just saying. That's why it's fucking awesome.
Valve keeps it clear.
Roger that.
Alright, man, remember on this gun to keep a nice long burst on it? It's got a very long trigger pull. It's about 1.5 inches. I want you to slam that sucker home. Door keeps it clear.
Roger, clear to load.
Roger, clear to load. Comes hot, my control.
Roger that. Your discretion starting. I see you right there.
Roger. Alright, you ready, man? Go ahead and kick that leg out for me. We're going to put our right hand there, left hand right there. Lean into it. You see this red dot?
No.
We're going to keep both eyes open. We're going to paint that red dot on this target in front of the sandbags. You see the sandbags? There's an orange guy in front of them, white one. Go ahead and get him. Nice, good burst, man. Keep it coming. Nice, shift right, get that guy. Nice, follow that ridge line. Get that red airplane up top. Nice, man, follow that ridge line. There's an orange guy, he's laughing at us. Yeah, alright.
Nice.
You got him.
Very nice.
Alright, that was 100 rounds. Did you like any more? No? Alright, bring that leg inside for me. It's addicting, I know. Weapon and cabin secure.
On the go.
Good shooting, man. That was awesome.
Oh, yeah. I feel like I'm good enough to be on the commercial.
Well, I didn't have to lie to you to tell you that you were hitting the stuff, so
Awesome. Why is that there?
it's pretty good. Alright, I want you guys to wait for my thumbs up to unbuckle. We're going to be safely on the ground. I'm going to hop out first. I'm going to ask you for your left hand so you don't burn yourself on this barrel.
Yeah, bring it right here.
What's that?
What you saying, bring it out right here?
No, I'm saying I'm going to ask for your left hand so you don't grab this.
Oh, okay.
Because if you do, you'll leave some skin on this.
Nobody wants that. Except for Ben. He's a redhead. He has no soul.
That was Tim. Not a minute.
Yeah, pull down that center.
Roger. You guys are good to unbuckle. Go ahead and step down. Watch your step. Take your time. Alright, head back. Head back toward Matt.
And I'll see you guys next week.
Amazing.
He shot really well.
Yeah, I did.
I wasn't surprised, you know. Hey, every branch of the military hit me up after I dropped this video, you know. But it's okay. It's all cool. You feel me? You feel me? Joe Biden hit me up the other day trying to recruit me or whatever. I turned it all down. But yeah, that's just besides the point. Let's just get back into the video. All right, bye. Hey, y'all. When we come back, let's walk over here. When we come back, bro, we're gonna do the whole 9 yards, blowing up stuff.
Yeah, they said you could shoot guns and like
Dude,
you could do explosions and everything.
That 100 bullets went by so fast, and look what I got, y'all. They got like 4 cameras on the helicopter, so I ain't really have to record. So I got some heat for y'all now, cause I was letting that thing ride now. He out of there.
Where is he going?
I don't know. But yeah, I don't even know if this is gonna be the end of the video. It seems like this all y'all need right here, but we'll let y'all know. I'm just shocked right now. I don't even know what to
We
say.
haven't even seen the footage yet.
Yeah.
They said it's 4 live action cameras.
But I'll get back to y'all. Bye. Well, Big Bertha, it was nice knowing you. You got us where we needed to be, and I appreciate you. I never trip about a forward edge again if they try to give us this. But other than that, it's been nice knowing you. Ain't that right?
Yeah.
You gonna miss Big Bertha, ain't you?
Might have to get me a Big Bertha.
Yeah. Other than that, you've been nice to us. We'll catch you on the flip side, alright? Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, Big Bertha. But yeah, other than that, man, this video is over with. The last 2 days we ain't even record. We went out and we did some things. Not gonna talk about it. It was just some Las Vegas things. But yeah. But yeah, man, we had a blast on the last 2 days, man. We had fun. Went out and seen the Hoover Dam, I think. Yeah. When I seen the Hoover Dam and went to this Area 15 place and all that. But yeah, other than that, man, I want y'all to like this video up. Come on now, hey, like it up for real, for real. Subscribe to the channel. If I entertain y'all, if I make you laugh, I make you do anything, you gotta subscribe. It's only right, you feel me? But other than that, it's your boy GB3 over TV coming again with another banger. And this is our last time in Vegas. Well, not last time, we'll be back sooner or later. Other than that, I say if y'all get me to 100 likes, I'll come back and do the $4,000 plan at the helicopter place. That's when you can shoot a tank and all that. But y'all just gotta do y'all job, you feel me? Other than that, your boy is out of here. Bye.